I eat with everyone. I eat with everyone. I share the food. I share the food. I sit down outside. I sit down outside. I call my family over. I call my family over. I set the plates down. I set the plates down. I fill the cups. I fill the cups. I hand out the plates. I hand out the plates. I serve the food. I serve the food. I plate the patties. I plate the patties. I remove the food. I remove the food. I taste a small bite. I taste a small bite. I cut one open. I cut one open. I test if it is done. I test if it is done. I poke the patty. I poke the patty. I check the food. I check the food. I add fresh herbs. I add fresh herbs. I baste the food. I baste the food. I pour extra sauce. I pour extra sauce. I spread the glaze. I spread the glaze. I brush on the sauce. I brush on the sauce. I lower the heat. I lower the heat. I move it to the side. I move it to the side. I press the patty gently. I press the patty gently. I turn the corn. I turn the corn. I flip the patties. I flip the patties. I wait for it to cook. I wait for it to cook. I smell the smoky food. I smell the smoky food. I listen to the sizzle. I listen to the sizzle. I space out the pieces. I space out the pieces. I arrange the food. I arrange the food. I lay the vegetables down. I lay the vegetables down. I place the patties on. I place the patties on. I oil the grate. I oil the grate. I skewer the vegetables. I skewer the vegetables. I slice the vegetables. I slice the vegetables. I coat the corn. I coat the corn. I mix the marinade. I mix the marinade. I rub in the spices. I rub in the spices. I add black pepper. I add black pepper. I sprinkle some salt. I sprinkle some salt. I season the patties. I season the patties. I take out the food. I take out the food. I put on my apron. I put on my apron. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I heat the grill. I heat the grill. I light the grill. I light the grill. I gather my tools. I gather my tools. I set up the table. I set up the table. I clean the grate. I clean the grate. I open the grill lid. I open the grill lid. Eat. Share. Sit. Call. Set down. Fill. Hand out. Serve. Plate. Remove. Taste. Cut. Test. Poke. Check. Sprinkle herbs. Baste. Pour. Spread. Brush. Lower. Move. Press. Turn. Flip. Wait. Smell. Listen. Space out. Arrange. Lay. Place. Oil. Skewer. Slice. Coat. Mix. Rub. Add. Sprinkle. Season. Take out. Put on. Wash. Heat. Light. Gather. Set up. Clean. Open.